excited factory adventure where children travel through magic snack making rooms, discovering giant snacks or Keller's feeds realms.
Welcome, welcome! Come inside, where giant snacks are made with pride!
Pop, 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 pop goes the corn. Giant popcorn is magically born.
Fresh fruits roll both big and small. Healthy snacks are best for all.
Round we go through cookies wide on our fun factory ride.
Swirl and splash, so creamy white. Healthy yogurt tastes just right. Blend the colors one by one, making smoothies full of fun.
Pack them neatly, nice and bright. Every snack is just right.
A magic key begins to glow. What surprise will it now show? Look at all the snacks appear! Healthy treats are finally here!